at Bronco Off-Roadeo, Nevada with Karen, Babe.
Nice to meet you.
Here to off-road this vehicle, so it should be a lot of fun. Entering the Bronco Off-Roadeo merch shop. I'm already breaking stuff. Ready to go on this adventure, and they are letting us pick our Broncos. And lucky for me, I picked the exact model I am getting, just with a different color. This is the Badlands in Area 51. I am actually getting Cactus Gray. And let go of the gas.
Look at me. What do you think of the Bronco Off-Roadeo so far? I want a Bronco.